Understanding the benefits of emotional intelligence. What exactly do you get if you fine-tune and hone your emotional intelligence? Here is just a short list. This is by no means an exhaustive list, nor is it intended to be some definitive list. The truth is, when it comes to social interactions, the benefits to mastering such interactions is actually limitless. Better social relations for children. With children, increased levels of emotional intelligence leads to higher quality social interactions, better relationships, and is more likely that they would not develop antisocial behavior or traits. This is a big deal because when people deviate from social norms, this may lead to potentially negative long-term life consequences. According to both subjective and objective tests of EI, increased EI for kids shows a positive correlation in positive social behavior both inside and outside of school. Improved adult social relations. When adults develop higher levels of emotional intelligence, they are able to feel more confident. This is due to the fact that they are able to perceive their emotional states better, and this can help them conduct themselves better in emotional settings. This increased social competency leads to increasing levels of social confidence. Having achieved this positions them to wanting more interpersonal interactions, which can lead to more opportunities for interpersonal relationships and can lead to even higher levels of social competence. Similarly, high EI correlates with lower levels of aggression and interpersonal problems. Less conflicts. People with high emotional intelligence tend to be perceived better by their peers. Other individuals think that people with high EI are more empathetic, easier to get along with, and are more socially skilled. This leads to lower levels of interpersonal conflicts and misunderstanding, better intimate and family relationships. Studies also correlate high EI with better family relationships as well as better relations with intimate partners across a wide range of indicators. Better work relations and performance. Whether we're looking at negotiating for better pay, getting better jobs, or getting promoted at work, higher emotional intelligence is correlated with all these. As long as there's any kind of social dynamics involving the workplace, people with higher EI are able to negotiate better positions or situations for themselves. Better overall psychological well-being. People with high EI scores tend to report higher levels of self-esteem, personal confidence, and life satisfaction. They also report lower levels of depression, anxiety, or insecurity. These measures of well-being are not isolated. They actually correlate with better health choices and more positive personal behavior. Paves the way for self-compassion. People with high EI are more likely to have a superior understanding of who they are, where they're going, and what they're about. They are able to make decisions on a more conscious level, even if they factor in their emotional states. They are able to make decisions that they don't regret later on. This higher propensity to self-compassion positions them for self-actualization.